Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be on this quick wig that I made using the glue method. And right now I'm just showing you everything that I used. I did not include a picture of the glue, but I just used the 30-second Salon Pro glue. You know, the regular glue that everybody use. I'm taking some rubber bands and I'm just going to tie the cap because my head is actually small and I'm making this wig for myself. And so I'm just going to tie the cap at the back, and that's what you see me doing right now. So please excuse the background noise. My kids are currently watching Cat in the Hat while I'm doing this voiceover. And right now you just see me sewing down the closure, and I'm just doing it like I normally do. I always sew down my closure. I do not glue the closures or anything. I always sew down. So that's what you see me doing right here. So if you guys see like any black marks on my fingernails or my hands, it's from me dyeing some hair like an hour ago before I made this video. So yeah, just to address that. I didn't want y'all to think like, oh, should I wash your hands? Nah, baby, it ain't even that type of party. But the thing is, it just got all over my nails and my hands, and it was just a hot mess. I like literally do not know how I even got through the gloves. Like, I'm still trying to figure it out, but yeah. So right now you just see me sewing the back two tracks, and then I'm going to go in with that glue and just finish off the whole wig. I did get lazy. I was going to sew the whole wig, but then I was like, nah, let me go ahead and do the glue method because this is commercial ball hair, and I'm pretty much not going to even have this wig for long. But at the same time, I still have this wig and it's still wearable in good condition, because I do take care of my wigs. And if you guys would like to see a video on how I keep up with my wigs, the maintenance on all my wigs that I make and the wigs that I have, that's coming down in the comment section, and I will show you guys how I keep them up or whatever. But right now you just see me doing, placing all the tracks and everything in the way that they go. I always do in the U form, and I just go all the way up till I get to that closure. So right now you just see me removing the rubber band because we have finished installing the hair, and I'm going to go in with my tweezers a little bit, and I'm just going to pluck it just a little bit because I do want to have a middle part for this look of this wig. But this is a 4x4 closure, so you're able to part it on the middle, on the side, on the right side, on the left side. So you can really just get creative, but for me, I just want to wear it in a middle part or a side part. So that's pretty much that I'm going to a right side part. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be plucking. But right now on the video, I'm just going to show you guys how I pluck a middle part. If you are liking this video so far, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make this glue method closure wig. And also, if you are not following me on all my social networks, you can follow me at Chrissy Daily on my Snapchat. You can follow me at _ Chrissy Daily on Instagram and Twitter. Also, like me on Facebook at Chrissy Daily. And if you are new to my channel, do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn your bells on so you will not miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video.